As I was just mentioning, as of today, students on P.E.I. in Nova Scotia and in Newfoundland and Labrador no longer required to wear masks in schools. And this includes childcare centres, K-12 public and private schools, and on school buses. So Brett Ruskin joined me on this story from Halifax Live. It's a lot of change. Tell us some more details about this.
Well, yeah, Heather, in those three provinces that you mentioned, students waking up no longer required to wear their masks in school. But the recommendation still is there for students and teachers to still wear their masks. Now, this is obviously a change that we've seen in other provinces that have already taken place, and it's been criticized in some areas, in some places. And here, parents and some doctors as well have been saying that, we have less than a month left in this school year. Why not maintain the mask mandate until the summertime break? When we've also seen and heard that opinion echoed by Dr. Andrew Link. He is the chief pediatrician at the IWK, that is Atlantic Canada's largest children's hospital, just down the road from here. He himself, as well as other doctors that he's been speaking with, have called on the government to keep these mask mandates in place in schools for the safety of students, for teachers, for their families, as well as the safety of the healthcare system overall, because he says the hospital is busy right now, even before this mask mandate is removed and lifted. So that is the recommendation, again, from the chief pediatrician here at the IWK, Atlantic Canada's largest children's hospital. Heather.
So no longer mandatory, but at least there in Nova Scotia, still recommended. What is the hospitalization and case number situation there, Brett, these days?
Yeah, so if you take a look at the three provinces that are lifting mask mandates in schools this morning, today, each province is a little bit different, but each one is reporting cases, hospitalizations, deaths on a weekly basis. So you take a look at Prince Edward Island to start with. We are seeing an increase in hospitalizations, as well as a decrease in cases overall. Newfoundland is seeing an increase in hospitalizations and cases over the last week. From hospitalizations went from 8 to 14 in the last week-long period. And here in Nova Scotia, there's a drop in both hospitalizations and in daily average cases detected. However, we have seen in the last reporting period 24 new deaths. Now, that is tied for the highest number of deaths in a week-long period since the pandemic began. So this is, the stats are still there. COVID-19 still very much present in the community here on the East Coast as well as around the world, with these mandates still lifting across Atlantic Canada in schools today. Heather.
Brett Ruskin, thank you very much.